Yesterday afternoon we had a heck of a storm blow through here. It was a short-lived storm, but it really rained and really blew. So let's take a look. I was in the basement at the time, and it was these branches were hitting the window, and the wind really, it was a gust like I've never seen before, and I thought they were going to break the window, but they didn't. It's all seems to be all this cottonwood stuff. That's a fairly big branch, and it hit the window right where I was standing there. And as you can see, there's a lot of it. And then up here on the deck, it blew out this railing. And as you can see, made a mess. So it was a pretty powerful gust of wind. I don't know if it was, may have been like a little mini tornado or what that came across the lake there. And I think what broke this here railing is that branch straight down there. I'll go take a look at it. But the thing that's interesting, that's a pretty big branch. There are no smaller branches on it. It's been stripped completely of the branches, and they're all over the place here. So that's what makes me think it might have been more than just a gust of wind, because of this whole big tree. It only took that one limb and ripped the shreds out of it. And for some reason, my truck parked right there never got touched. Just fine with me, because I can fix this here. So let's go down and take a look at, look like a willow branch over there. And of course the willow tree is way over there. So it had to have been something that lifted up and carried a ways. All right, let's go take a look over down there below. Had to be careful going on the steps. There's one of the stiles from the railing right there. There's branches all over here. And I looked, and the neighbors don't seem to have much going on there, so not sure what it was. Look at the size of this branch, and everything is ripped off of it. Huh. Not much over there. I'm not sure. Well, I see a chunk sitting up in the tree there too. And we can see that piece of a branch. But I'm not sure where this big branch broke off of. And you can see a piece landed right next to the truck. But it looks like it came through this gap in the trees here. And those little trees in there are all kind of stirred up. So I don't know what the heck it was. So let's go up and take a look at what the rain damage was on our driveway. We've got a lot of cleanup to do here. Just lucky that didn't go through that window. Or lucky the big one didn't go through the picture window in the living room. Yeah, there's branches all over here. We're having a new driveway put in, and they put in the base layer, and we're in between getting that done and the paving done, and looks like the rain really came down and washed out a lot of the base here. But I talked to them, and they're gonna fix it up, and we'll be good to go. But yeah, we got cottonwood leaves all over the place. So that's all I've got for today. Stay safe out there. Take cover if a storm comes through. You never know what's going to happen. It happens really quick. Bye now.